This is the Foamboard Octant. It is a kind of sextant made out of this foamboard material. Some Lego blocks and mirrors. This is the shade. Is made out of welder mask filter, very dark filter. I will take this apart to show the details. This is the scale. Now this is the octant taken apart. It's the frame, the arm, the mirrors, sunshade, and this is the axis of the sextant. The plastic pieces are all Lego blocks. Let's start with the frame. You have a large scale. Here we have the tower of the frame mirror, and to the left the fix of the shade. And this is the axis of the instrument. A Lego block was embedded in the foam board, one with holes in it. And this is the arm. We have a similar piece embedded here. So that the whole, the axis assembly is all made of these plastic blocks. This is the scale. There's a piece of plastic to keep the arm together with the frame. The frame is made of this cardboard, which is 5mm thick, and I printed the scale in inkjet paper printer, and this was bound to the cardboard, to the foam board, using this spray mount glue, which produces a good bond. Now I'm going to put the sextant together. Here is very important to keep the arm moving freely without touching the filter. At the same time, you should not have a too large space between the filter and the arm. So this is perfect. Now let's put it in 0 position. Here we can see that the back of the glass mirror is over the center line of the instrument. This is important. The filter covers the arm mirror image completely, so there is no sun hitting your eye, which should be close to this foam board mark here.